Imagine having one tool that replaces almost everything: ChatGPT, Gemini, Copilot, Perplexity AI, Chat PDF, image generators, writing assistants, and even code companions, all rolled into a single super intelligent platform. Hello guys, and welcome back to the channel. Welcome to the future of productivity. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use Global GPT, your one-stop powerhouse for content creation, research, brainstorming ideas, coding, design, document analysis, and so much more. Whether you are a student, a content creator, a professional, or just someone who loves exploring AI, this tool can literally change the way you work, learn, and create everything. So buckle up, because what you're about to see today will make you rethink how many AI tools you really need in your working space. Okay, so let's dive into it and explore Global GPT and see how we are going to use it. So let's start from the beginning, learning how to access it. You can open your browser, come anywhere within the search bar, and you can go ahead and search for Google, just like so. You don't enter, and you can go ahead and search for Global GPT. Global GPT, just like this, and hit on enter. You can see it over here. Global GPT, free AI tools, all in one access. Okay, to ChatGPT, Midjourney, you name it, they are here. So you can click on the first option. Alternatively, you can go to Global GPT, glbgpt.com, just like the way you see it here, and will be brought in over to this very platform, right? So of course you have to go on and sign up. You can just sign up with your email or with your Gmail account. It's very easy and straightforward. And once you're signed up, you can always come over here. You will come to models. Okay, so this is where you see the list of all the models available. You can see there are so many of them, so many. And you have access to all of these if you want to subscribe. But you can try for free, access everything from here. And then if you want, you can subscribe to have access to all of them. Now they are categorized accordingly. You can see the categories from here. These are the most popular ones, like GPT 4.1, Llama 4 Scout, DeepSeek V3, and GPT 4o, which you must have to pay because sometimes you pay $40, $30, $20 to access all of these. Cloud Opus, these are paid AI tools that you can see. GPT 4.5, even O3 Mini, you can see all of them. We have Llama 4 and the similar ones. You have Qwen 3, GPT 4.1, all of these. So you can see GPT 4, 4o. You have to pay for you to have access to this. And in this platform, you can have access to all of them literally for free. Yeah. So because what you're paying is just token. When compared to the values you're going to get for GPT, for Midjourney, you have to pay like $30 a month, and all of these other ones. But in this case, you have access to all of them with very small fee. So they are categorized accordingly. You can see charts. These are the most popular ones. When it comes to chat, you can see all of them: 4.1, Gemini, 5.4, Cloud Opus, Cloud Sonnet, Qwen 3, GPT 4.1, and many more. Right, so you can see image. In terms of image, also you have them: Sora AI, the GPT-4o, DALL-E, Flux, Perplexity, Deep Research, and so much more. You can see all of them over here. And even importantly, you have Ideogram and Midjourney. All of them are listed here. In terms of search, you can see you have Perplexity, GPT-4o, and so on. When it comes to video generation, we have Luma and Runway, and then we have Code and many other ones. You can see academic related, social media related, social contact, and health related, and many other ones that you can have access to directly. So it's very, very easy. And all you need is just to sign up. You can try any of them. Let's try something simple. For example, let's go ahead and try something like, I kind of like Qwen 3. So let's go with the latest Qwen 3, 235 billion tokens. We can click on it. And let's see whether we can do something simple directly. So all you need is just to enter your prompt. So let's say we have this example: write an essay of about 1,000 words about the future of AI in Nigeria. Okay, so this is just a question. You can hit on enter, and you just give some seconds. You're going to see some fantastic results that this is going to generate for you. Have access to all of this, and it's completely free of charge. And you can see it wonderfully. It is giving you the future of artificial intelligence in Nigeria, opportunities, challenges, and path forward. You can see introduction, current landscape of AI in Nigeria, agricultural transformation, healthcare innovation, education revolution, financial inclusion, job creation and economic growth, challenges and hindering AI adoption. We can see regulatory and ethical gaps, brain drain, and so on. The challenges also is there because it's not only about the opportunities. What are the challenges and what are the way forward? How can we regulate the usage and so that citizens can be able to use it for better advantages? So in conclusion, this is what it has given, and this is a final reflection. I instructed it specifically to give us 1,000 words, and look at it has been able to give us 998 words, which is very, very interesting. This is a complete essay that you can use and present somewhere and prepare it for usage. You can always come back to the models and you can select anyone, depending on whichever one you want to use. Let's say we want to try the Flux to generate an image. So let's go ahead and try Flux. Let's say we'll have this image generation. Okay, so let's try this. This is a beautiful young woman with delicate features and closed eyes. You can ask the AI to enhance this for you, and then you can select the aspect ratio. Let's go with 16:9. The model, let's go with flood depth, and you can go ahead and click on generate to have this and take a look at what it has created for us. So this is what it has created. Take a look at the flowers around and the texture, the skin, the hair is very, very much realistic. Then we have this, a large powerful Cape buffalo bull stands at a concrete water terror, also known as the water creep, okay, drinking the water. Let's go ahead and generate this as well, and let's see what it has generated for us. This is the image that it has generated. Very, very powerful and fantastic. Now, in terms of video creation, let's try something simple. So let's come to video, and then let's go ahead and use Runway. You can drop an image if you want to have a reference, or you can just describe the video that you want. Let's say we'll describe this video, and then we can go ahead and generate this. Okay, so you can see it perfectly. This is wonderful, actually. It has created something very, very clear and wonderful. Take a look at this video as well. It created this video. You can see the clarity in it. Very, very clear and very powerful. Take a look at this one as well. Look at the texture. Look at the body. It's a stealthy feeling under starry sky. You can see the movement, the majestic movement. It's really, really fantastic. So please go ahead and try. To subscribe is very simple. You can just go ahead and try on your own. And then if you're okay with it, you can upgrade. The plan is very cheap. You can see right now for the monthly fee, you can pay as much as 8.9. And then the Pro, which is 15, and Unlimited is 37 per month. You have access to all of these AI features. So please go ahead and explore and see how you can use it to your own advantage. So this concludes this simple tutorial about the use of Global GPT to access all of these AI tools completely with just simple token or payments for the subscription. Hope you find this useful. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one. Bye.